Hello, evening.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You still have my number. This is Brother Solomon.
And so anything?
You know all this while you've been the one checking up on me because things have been rough with me, but now everything is good now. I'm okay now. At this standard, I'm balanced now. And at this point, I want to invite you over to my house to come and visit me so that I can spoil you. Yes. Now, I'm ready to spoil you in the morning, spoil you in the afternoon, spoil you for night. Midnight, I will say spoil you. Early morning hour, I will spoil you again. Anything you want in life, I will give it to you now. Just come to the house.
See, Solo, I don't have time for rubbish. This is 2021. Please, if you know you are pranking me, you better stop it now.
The Solo you used to know is no longer the Solo that you will see now. Just come home and see for yourself. Come to the house.
Okay, I'm on my way.
As my positive evening, positive everywhere. So you are welcome to my house.
Wow, yeah. Solo. Huh? You didn't wait for yourself.
This is even one of my rooms.
You don't mean it.
I have rooms, different rooms in other estates. Wow. So what do I offer you?
Do you have bushmeat?
Bushmeat? No, I don't have. But I can get it for you.
What about turkey lap?
Turkey lap? I don't have it in the house now. But I can also order it for you.
What do you have?
I have rice.
Rice.
Okay. With cold juice to start with.
Big cold juice?
Yes. Then maybe if I'm going to drop you off for my car, I will now buy you all those things, bushmeat.
Alright.
So I'm coming. Feel at home.
Alright.
Feel at home. I'm coming.
Hey! Solo money! Hey! Let me package very well.
I told you I will spoil you.
Wow.
This one is for you. This one is for you too. Yes, enjoy.
Hey? Solo? Lift cup.
This one that you open the drink. You don't need cup again, no. Get that.
Solo? Hey, is this you?
You're welcome to my house. Enjoy yourself. Baby. I say I have a lot of fish in the pot.
I read my breakfast money.
My is here to spoil you. Plus, I'm hungry, really push you come up for us.
Hey.
You are really hungry.
Solo. Don't mind me. Just me. How far?
It's one expert.
One expert?
One expert. The best and the most reliable betting platform.
Is One Expert not the official global sponsor of La Liga and Barcelona Football Club?
How did you know?
Are they not also the sponsor of Africa Cup of Nations?
Exactly!
Wow.
Do you know that the registration is free? Just go to Play Store or Apple Store, download the app and register. It's free of charge.
Wow.
And when you make your first deposit like this, they will hit you with 200% bonus.
You don't mean it.
Using the promo code PEACEBELT. PEACEBELT. That's the promo code. What it means is that if you deposit $100, they will give you $200. Adding it to the original $100 you deposited, making $300. That's what you have in your account. If you deposit $5 now, they will give you $10 bonus. Adding to that your $5, which is now $15. The platform has special no risk offer and other unique bonuses.
Wow.
Do you know that if you want to do your birthday like this, they will hit you with bonus to celebrate your birthday. Players can get bonus for series of losing bets.
You don't mean it.
I mean it. Baby, we are not wasting time. Just quickly arrange so that we can do the proper.
Solo billions.
That's my name.
Solo money.
That's me.
Hey.
I want to see you natural. So just clean up.
You want to see me natural?
Natural is the thing.
You want to see my beauty?
Your inner beauty.
My inner beauty.
Natural.
Solo.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, now.
My baby.
Solo,
Yeah, baby.
I'm going to give it to you well. Solo!
Shut me down.
Baby, do you like millet? Do you like my natural beauty?
Èmi mọ ohun ojú mi ti rí, mo mọ ohun etí mi ti gbọ́.
Jesus is Lord.
Thank you for saving me.